Welcome to Facts or Frauds.
State of Michigan versus Eric Martin, case number 23-00425.
McDuffie for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White as standby counsel.
Thank you.
So can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right.
All right, we're here for a final settlement conference today. And where are we with this matter, please?
Your Honor, I believe that we were previously ready to proceed actually directly to jury selection, but I think that it may have been set for final settlement. Mr. Martin had some other matters and some other courts, and I don't know if he missed a date or something in there that had it set.
I'm not sure how I got put on for final settlement conference. It was supposed to go directly to jury selection, but we're here. Mr. Martin, you're still requesting a jury trial in this matter, sir?
Yep.
All right. We already have it scheduled for jury selection on August 9th at 8:30 a.m.
Get there right now. Something new I'm going to say is I'm going to demand the appointment of counsel, even though I know you already had them in standby. I always was refusing them, but since it's being fraudulently assumed I'm the defendant anyways, along with all the other fraudulent presumptions, I'm going to go ahead and take the lawyer. But again, I'm not agreeing to no fraudulent presumptions that may normally attach to that, such as I'm a defendant, I'm a ward of the court, etc., etc. I can go on and on, but under canon law 3228, for example, and etc. But so yeah, I want to make that clear on that. And also there's some pretrial demands to dismiss I made that haven't been ruled on yet. They should, because they're pretrial. They're matters of law, so they should be ruled on before trial. And
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I wasn't trying to interrupt, but I just wanted to thank Mr. Martin for that update and to say that his counsel, that is, he's now requesting, if the court chooses to appoint them formally to this case, will be probably happy to assist with all those things, because we have to do jury selection, instructions, and I was going to ask how I needed to communicate about it.
Well, with respect to any pretrial matters, this court did make a ruling on the record, and I have a written, I wrote it down in my notes here as to each ruling I made on each of the issues. So that has been addressed. If you are expecting counsel to be appointed, sir, at this point in time, then I will do that. And after that point, you will no longer be able to speak on your own behalf. You understand that?
no, I do not understand. I do not agree with it. That is totally violation of my due process rights. I object to that. Regardless of what the counsel may say, I still have the Constitution right to say what I want to say. It's a First Amendment right. So if you're going to say I must accept counsel in order and must violate, with the condition that I must violate my own Constitution right to speak when I want to and have a right to speak, then I'm not accepting it. But
That is your choice, sir.
so what's it going to be? Are you going to tell me? Are you still going to stick with
I
that,
was
or what?
very clear on what I said.
Okay, well, I'm gonna forget. Then I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna change my mind on that. Then if I'm gonna violate my own Constitution right to speak,
All right.
then
As you go through the jury selection process, in any of these processes, you will be held to the same standard as any other attorney in a case, because that is what the law and the court rules require. So if you're in violation of those rules, sir, then what is going to happen is you will be held in contempt of court like any other individual would if you are not, in fact, following the rules of court. Do you understand, sir?
objection, that violates the Supreme Court case law. I can't think of the name of it right now. But I have read it before years ago that non-official attorneys are not to be held to the same standards as attorneys.
Mr. Martin, that is not the law again, and I have told you what is going to happen. So I will see you here on August 9th at 8:30 a.m. prepared to go to trial. See you then. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I do just have one quick question. He can be going.
It's gone.
But I just need to ask the court, because we have to submit the jury instructions and et cetera. I don't have email contact information from Mr. Martin. I don't know if he uses email. So I can submit that to the court, and I guess
He has standby counsel, so submit it to his counsel.
we'll do.
Bond is continued.
Tis mixed headroom here, and I quote from the bard. Shakespeare, a writer, the quality of TV is not strained. It drop it, and the gentle ratings drop it to a very tiny percentage share, and lo, 'tis gone. Of course, Shakespeare would have loved your rating system. Twelfth Night would have been lucky to have lasted one.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.